The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry by D.M.Y. Sommerville.
Chapter 1, Historical. Section 5, Thibaut's rotation proof, the direction fallacy. Let a ruler, figure 1, be placed with its edge coinciding with a side AC of a triangle, and let it be rotated successfully about the three vertices A, B, and C in the direction ABC, so that it comes to coincide in turn with AB, BC, and CA. When it returns to its original position, it must have rotated through 4 right angles. But this whole rotation is made up of 3 rotations through angles equal to the exterior angles of the triangle. The fault of this proof is that the 3 successive rotations are not equivalent at all to a single rotation through 4 right angles about a definite point, but are equivalent to a translation through a distance equal to the perimeter of the triangle along one of the sides. The construction may be performed equally well on the surface of a sphere with a ruler bent in the form of an arc of a great circle, and yet the sum of the exterior angles of a spherical triangle is always less than 4 right angles. A similar fallacy is contained in all proofs based upon the idea of direction. Take the following. AB and CD, figure 2, are 2 parallel roads which are intersected by another road, BC. A traveler goes along AB, and at B turns into a road BC, altering his direction by the angle at B. At C he turns into his original direction, and therefore must have turned back through the same angle. But this requires a definition of sameness of direction, and this can only be effected when the theory of parallels has been established. The difficulty is made clear when we try to see what we mean by the relative compass bearing of 2 points on the Earth's surface. If we traveled due west from Plymouth along a parallel of latitude, we should arrive at Newfoundland, but the direction of the shortest course would start in a direction west-northwest and finish in the direction west-southwest. Other statements from which Euclid's postulate may be deduced are: 3 points are either collinear or concyclic, Wolfgang Bolyai. There is no upper limit in the area of a triangle, Gauss. Similar figures exist, Wallace.
The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry. This book was written by D.M.Y. Sommerville, M.A. and Doctor of Science. It was published by the Open Court Publishing Company, London, G. Bell & Sons, Ltd. in 1919, and now is in the public domain. It is being read by Jim Renholt, with programming and illustrations by Jim Renholt in 2019. Thank you for listening.